Currently, my phone does not have a passcode or Face ID. I can just swipe up to open the phone. If you don't like that and you want to have a passcode, this is how you set one up. You go to Settings, make sure you're on the main settings page, scroll down until you get to Face ID and Passcode. Tap on that to open it, then scroll down until you get to Turn Passcode On. Tap on it. Now you need to enter your passcode. I'm going to enter a very secure one. This passcode can be easily guessed, probably true. I'm going to say use anyway. Then we enter it again. It's working. And then bada bing, bada boom, passcode is on your phone because this changed to turn passcode off. Now if I turn off the phone and I just want to swipe up to get in, I can't. I have to enter the passcode. If you want to be extra secure, not extra, if you want to have a different way as well, maybe you want to add Face ID, just tap into the same spot again, and then tap on Set Up Face ID. There's some simple steps you walk through. You hold your face in the frame and you rotate your head, and then within a few seconds you have your Face ID set up. Now the next most important thing you can do is scan this QR code on your screen right now if you're on a TV, or click on the link in the description and check out the Scam Proof My Phone checklist and step-by-step guide I created for you. It's free. You can get it through the page I just talked about. Either scan the QR code or click the link in the description, download it, and make sure your phone is scam proof. And after that, watch this video right here, which shows you how to make sure that your phone is not tapped. If your phone is tapped, it means someone's listening to your calls. There's a bunch of different ways you can see if that's happening. So check out that video next. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.